चिल्ड्रेन, वेलकम टू किड्सोला लर्निंग। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ABCD। सबसे पहले जान लेते कलर्स नेम। ग्रीन कलर, ब्लैक कलर, रेड कलर, ब्राउन कलर, येलो कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, ब्लू कलर, पिंक कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, वायलेट कलर। A for apple, A for apple. B for box, B for box. C for clock, C for clock. D for doctor, D for doctor. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for giraffe, G for giraffe. H for house, H for house. I for igloo, I for igloo. J for jelly, J for jelly. K for kite, K for kite. L for lady, L for lady. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nose, N for nose. O for orange, O for orange. P for pineapple, P for pineapple. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rose, R for rose. S for star, S for star. T for train, T for train. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for vegetable, V for vegetable. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for x-ray, X for x-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zoo, Z for zoo. Once again, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.